In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find your target order number. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the My Target page. Once you're over here, you're going to find the section of purchase history. Click on that and you'll be directed to the page where you're going to find list of your recent and past orders. Select the order you are looking for. On the order details page, you'll find the order number displayed near the top of the screen along with information such as the order date, order status, item purchase, payment details, and shipping or pickup information. If you placed your order recently, you can also find the order number in your Target order confirmation email. Simply open the email sent after your purchase and the order number will be listed near the top of the message. If you're unable to sign into your account, you may be able to use Target's order lookup feature by entering the email addresses used for the purchase and any other requested information to retrieve your order details. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find your Target order number. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.